Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that can be stressful, frustrating, and sometimes even heartbreaking: visa denials and how to appeal them. If you've ever applied for a visa and received that dreaded rejection letter, you know how disappointing it can be. But don't worry, just because you got denied doesn't mean it's the end of the road. In this video, we're going to break down why visas get denied, what steps to take after a rejection, how to file an appeal if you're eligible, and pro tips to improve your chances the next time you apply. So, grab a notebook, take a deep breath, and let's get started. Why was your visa denied? Before you can figure out your next move, you need to understand why your visa was denied. Visa denials happen for a variety of reasons, but they usually fall into one of these main categories. Number 1. Incomplete or incorrect documentation. Missing paperwork, incorrect forms, inconsistent information. These are some of the most common reasons visas get denied. Even a small mistake like forgetting to sign a document can lead to rejection. Number 2. Insufficient financial proof. Many visas require you to show that you have enough money to support yourself. If you fail to provide sufficient bank statements, pay stubs, or sponsorship letters, your application might be rejected. Number 3. Lack of strong ties to home country. If immigration officers think you might overstay your visa, they'll deny your application. Showing strong ties like a stable job, family connections, or property ownership can help prove that you'll return home. Number 4. Previous visa violations or immigration issues. Overstayed a previous visa, got deported. These things can haunt your future applications. Immigration authorities keep records, and previous violations can make approvals much harder. Number 5. Security, criminal, or health concerns. Some countries deny visas if the applicant has a criminal record, a history of security concerns, or certain medical conditions that could pose a public health risk. Number 6. Weak purpose of travel explanation. If you can't clearly explain why you're visiting a country, or if your plans sound vague or suspicious, your visa might be denied. A strong itinerary and supporting documents can help. What to do after a visa denial? So, what do you do if your visa gets denied? First, don't panic. Take a step-by-step approach to assess your situation and figure out your next move. Step 1. Read the rejection letter carefully. When your visa is denied, you'll usually receive a letter explaining the reason. Some embassies provide specific details, while others might just mention a general category. Understanding the reason is the first step to fixing the problem. Step 2. Determine if you can appeal. Not all visa denials can be appealed. Some countries, like the U.S., often require you to reapply instead of appealing. Others, like Canada and many European nations, allow appeals under certain conditions. Check the embassy's guidelines to see if an appeal is an option. Step 3. Collect additional supporting documents. If your rejection was due to missing or weak documents, now is the time to strengthen your case. This could mean getting a stronger financial statement, providing a more detailed itinerary, or obtaining additional letters of support. Step 4. Fix errors and reapply if necessary. If your visa denial was due to mistakes in your application, correct them and submit a new application. Sometimes, small corrections can make a big difference. Step 5. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about why you were denied or how to proceed, consider consulting an immigration lawyer or a visa expert. They can give you insights and increase your chances of success. How to file a visa appeal. If you have the option to appeal, here is how you can do it step by step. Step 1. Check the deadline for appeals. Most visa appeals have strict deadlines. For example, Schengen visa appeals must often be submitted within 30 days. Missing the deadline means losing your chance to appeal. Step 2. Write a strong appeal letter. An appeal letter is your chance to argue why the visa decision should be reconsidered. It should include your personal details and visa application number, the reason for your visa denial, strong arguments and new supporting documents that counter the reason for rejection, a polite and professional tone asterisk. Step 3. Submit your appeal to the right authority. Depending on the country, you may need to send your appeal to an embassy, a visa appeals office, or an immigration court. Double-check where to submit it and follow all instructions carefully. Step 4. Be patient and follow up. Visa appeals can take weeks or even months. Some countries allow you to track your appeal status online. If you don't hear back after the expected time frame, consider following up with the embassy. Tips to avoid visa denial in the future. Want to boost your chances of getting your visa approved next time? Here are some expert tips. Double-check your application for errors. Small mistakes can lead to rejection. Review everything carefully. Provide strong proof of financial stability. Show consistent income, valid bank statements, and sponsorship letters if needed. Demonstrate ties to your home country. A stable job, family ties, or property ownership can convince officers you won't overstay. Be honest and transparent. Any false information can lead to immediate rejection or even a ban. Prepare for the visa interview if required. Practice answering common visa interview questions confidently. And there you have it. If your visa was denied, don't lose hope. Understanding the reason, taking the right steps, and appealing when possible can turn things around. Remember, every case is different, so be persistent and strategic. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more visa and immigration tips. Have you ever faced a visa denial? Tell us your experience in the comments, and let's help each other out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.